Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, this is the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. We will talk today about the euro currency as usual, but today we will start right from the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour chart, since on the daily time frame there's already a new market just stands in the same tight range that we have discussed yesterday, and I dare to suggest that it will remain in that area until the moment of the Ben Bernanke testimony on the Jackson Hole, where market expects to see, to hear information about the potential and possible quantitative easing third stage for around 500 billions. Well, that could happen really, and that's why market this event still holds market in the tight range. And the price action on intraday charts also support that, because market shows, from the one point of view, it shows some thrusting move. From the another point of view, very soon it shows the opposite move, almost the same grade. So you can see that although market has shown nice and thrusting upside bar, this was just the nearest target has been reached, 618 target from this ABCD pattern, A, B, C bottom, 618 target, and market almost totally erased the thrusting bar. So that's why we said, and during the almost 2 weeks we are saying that currently we should focus on the intraday charts and to take profit at the nearest targets, because market is very choppy, and although it has shows gradual move to the upside, the retracements very deep after the thrusting moves. So it's better to take the nearest targets than hold position, than marry in a position, because market could take all your profit back. So on the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? First of all, you can see that market accelerates above the weekly pivot point yesterday, right here. Now it stands above it. Also, during this deep retracement, market has reached again weekly pivot point and 4-hour confidence support 144.9 or 144.4. It's right here. Okay. The red line on this chart is the MACD predictor indicator. It shows us the trend. So you can see that market could form here the stop grabber. This is the kind of pattern when the market initially shows the shifting trend to the bearish side, but then accelerates back and closes above it. This is the potential bullish signal, and the target of this pattern is the stops that has been placed just above that high. So minimum target, market should renew the previous highs. The previous highs stands right here. Okay, but this bar hasn't been closed yet. This is just current bar on the 4-hour time frame. So will market form this stop grabber or not? We'll see. But if it will, then this will be one of the potential signs that probably market could accelerate to the upside further. The bit greater pattern is right here. This could be the butterfly cell. This is the left wing of the butterfly. Okay. If market still will show deeper retracement, for instance to the 143.46, the 618 support from the whole swing to the upside, or even deeper, this will be the the right wing of this butterfly. Left wing, right wing. The potential target of this butterfly stands at 127 extension 145.82, and 1618 target stands right here 146.72. Also take a look at this pattern, A, B, C bottom. Market hits 618, as we said. The 1618 stands precisely at the same area where the extension of this butterfly. Market potentially could reach it. Maybe it will happen even on Friday. So keep in mind that patterns. But currently I do not see that market has formed some bullish patterns, something that could allow us to enter on the long side of the market. I suppose that we should drop our time frame to the hourly time frame or even lower to watch for the potential buy signals. On the hourly time frame, we see the one of the potential signals that could appear on the market. You can see that hourly trend currently is bearish. Okay, And one of the potential signals is that butterfly buy pattern. 127 extension of that butterfly stands precisely at the area of the 618 support, 143.46. Well, if market will form this butterfly, probably we could try to enter long from that area based on that butterfly pattern. Okay, if market will not show it and just continue move to the upside, we could try to enter long when the hourly trend will turn on the bullish side. When the MACD will show the bullish trend and the hourly trend will shift bullish, then we could try to enter on the nearest retracement to the upside. Until that will happen, I suppose that we should not enter long. I mean, if market will not show this butterfly. So if market will accelerate downside and trend will be bearish, then probably we should not enter long until market will shift trend to the bullish. Well, or we could try to enter long based on that butterfly pattern and trade this scenario as we trade usually butterflies. Enter right here, stop should be placed below 1618 extension of that butterfly. Okay, and to hope that probably market will turn to this greater butterfly sell and will accelerate to the upside further. Okay, until that will happen, I think that's better to stay flat and wait where both trends will turn bullish before enter on the long side of the market. So that's my current view. Well, I still think that it's better to focus on the potential intraday patterns and different signals, take the nearest profit objective, because now, as we said, market stands at the trade range. It's now market indecision and wait for the great event that will come on Friday. So until that happens, I do not think that market will show some solid moves, some different fast accelerations on the higher time frames, on the daily time frame or somewhere. So focus on some intraday patterns. One of these pattern could be this butterfly buy pattern. Take your risk reasonable and take the nearest profit objectives.